Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to get fast delivery on Amazon after you've already placed your order. This can be incredibly useful if your plans have changed or you need something urgently that you initially thought could wait. Let's walk through how to speed up your delivery step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Orders. This will take you to a page displaying all your recent purchases. Now, I don't have any active orders at the moment, but I'll guide you through what you need to do next. Once you're viewing your orders, click on the specific order that you want to speed up. This will open the detailed order page where you can see all the relevant information about your purchase. On this order details page, take a moment to check the shipping status and delivery estimate that's displayed. This tells you where your package currently is in the fulfillment process and when it's expected to arrive. If your order hasn't shipped yet, you might see an option labeled Change Shipping Speed or something similar. Go ahead and click on that option if it's available. When you click it, you'll be presented with different shipping methods. Look for the fastest eligible option that appears, such as same-day delivery, next-day delivery, or expedited shipping. Select whichever fastest option is available for your order. Keep in mind that availability depends on your location and the item itself. After selecting your preferred faster shipping method, click Confirm or Save Changes to finalize the update. This will apply the new delivery speed to your order, assuming it qualifies for the change. However, if you don't see any option to change the shipping speed, don't worry. Click on Help or Customer Service, which you'll typically find at the bottom of the page or in the main menu. From there, select the order in question, then request assistance for an expedited or faster delivery review. Amazon's customer service team can sometimes manually adjust delivery options or provide alternatives. It's also worth checking whether your location actually supports faster delivery options. Same-day and one-hour delivery are only available in specific eligible areas, usually larger cities or metropolitan regions. If you're outside these zones, the fastest options might not appear. One more important thing to note is if you're subscribed to Amazon Prime, you get free 1 to 2 day delivery on eligible items, and sometimes even same-day delivery at no extra cost. Without Prime, fast shipping usually comes with additional fees, so be prepared for that if you're not a member. And that's how you can potentially speed up your Amazon delivery after placing an order. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.